And then if you look at the monthly chart, it's a lovely pattern. Now, the first trade on it was back here. We played the breakout, and now this is a pullback, basically. So I like the grab, and I grabbed some this morning, and it's not too late. That's why I'm mentioning it, because I don't think it's too late. Okay, the entry was at 486 is what the entry was, but it's not too late. Tesla is already bouncing, so it's a little bit late for the bounce. Z-Lab, okay, the China stocks are, speaking of weed, these are the ones that are smoking hot. The China stocks, they're amazing. We have the VNet in the newsletter. I mean, look at this beauty. Amazing. I have the BABA. Boom. It's back to, I actually took out the prior high. I didn't even know until this morning that it was up that much. So the China stocks are amazing, but they're too late for the most part. Here is one that's not too late at all, the Z-Lab. Is it because it's a bad one that's not going to go? Maybe. But the technical picture is okay on it, on the Z-Lab. So the daily, the weekly, the monthly even is trying to transition. So here it is. I like it. So Z-Lab from the China stocks. XNet is a China stock. Look at the, Mike, take a look at the monthly, your favorite pattern. It's my favorite, but now it's yours too.
It's
the
beautiful.
Z-Lab, the XNet, amazing, but it's a little late. That's the problem with the XNet, is that it's a little like too late maybe. There's a bit of a consolidation, so maybe higher after that. The same pattern set up on the EH today, another China stock and the Bitcoin stock. It popped, and if you looked at the monthly, you would have thought maybe too late, but I didn't take it today, and it had the little consolidation, and then boom, another. How much is it up now? 18%. So the XNet looks very much like the EH. The YMM is a China stock. This shook me out. I'm back in, but look at the monthly on the YMM. I mean, just look at this monthly and tell me this is not higher. Don't, because I'll just turn the camera off. This looks amazing.
I love the name Full Truck Alliance. What is that?
What does that mean? I have no idea. Full truck, not half truck, full truck. And Roku, I still like. It's a pain in to hold it, but I still like it. It reports, I guess, on the 13th. Wow. So it reports tomorrow. So we'll see. Datadog, I love because it had a major breakout on the weekly chart. So here's the weekly breakout, major breakout, and now it's doing the pullback. So even though it's a little bit sloppy, Datadog is higher. And here is my most interesting idea. It's the UPS, believe it or not. So if you look at the UPS, it's down for how many years now? And right into the 200, right into an area where it exploded from. And we had the gap down, which often sets the top. So you see the sell setup that's forming, that's bearish. So it's lower in the short term. But if it fails on the sell setup, then I think it goes higher. The UPS, two more, ATUS, which I already have, but I'm looking to add to over $5 because of that monthly pattern that's forming. So I love it, over 5 on the ATUS. I have a call on it to add to the position, but it hasn't triggered. And then the ABC over today's high would be nice, not because of the daily, but because of that monthly chart. Look at the monthly. It's a beauty. So those are my ideas. I created that list quickly while working on my laptop. So hopefully it's a good list. We'll find out next week.